So friends, today I'm just showing you this selfie stick L07. This is a 6.3 inch ring light selfie LED ring light with a tripod stand and a 360-degree rotating phone holder wireless ring light with 3 light modes. This have a 9 brightness level for photography streaming, compatible with Android or iPhone. So let me open this box now. So in this box, this comes with one charging cable, a manual and the ring light itself. So this charging cable is a micro USB cable and you can see the USB. So let me open this ring light for you now and see how it is. So this is basically a selfie ring light, and you can see that it can be used as a tripod as well. I will show you a bit. And this have a Bluetooth button that you can use for wirelessly capturing the images from the distance when you open this selfie ring light. So this selfie ring stick can be extended from 5.7 inches to 24 inches. So this is pretty cool for a selfie stick. So as I mentioned that this selfie stick can also be used as a tripod. So here it can open this leg, and they have a 3 leg stability provided to this selfie stick, and when you push this down, then it can hold very well the whole stick and the mobile weight, and now it can be used as a tripod for a distance photo taking or video recording or anything else. So this is like a 2-in-1 that can be used as a selfie stick and as well as a small tripod stand for your mobile phone. So this ring light is good in all those things. So let me put it back just to show you some other features of this ring light. So basically the stability thing is the most for a tripod stand, and you can see that it holds that, and this is the mobile stand that you can fit your mobile into. This is the flexible from one side so that you can put any size of mobile in it. So I will show you after putting one of my mobile so that you can see how this will fit. Before that I will put other stuff or show other things. So in this ring light there is a USB charger in the ring light itself so that you can charge it anywhere, and this is the USB, so you can charge this from a battery, external battery storage or anything like that. So this USB is easy that you need to put it in the LED, and this is powered by the USB, so that you don't need to put it into the socket, but you need to put it for the USB in external battery or something to LED to work. And now you can see the 3 different light with 9 different dimmable modes. So this have the yellow light, warm white and the white light selection, and there is a small button that you can use in the corner to change all this lights. So it's like 3 levels of dimmable light with 3 different tones, which suits each occasion that you can use along with this. So this is, as I said, is a Bluetooth button that you can connect to your mobile, and then you can press this button to take the photos. This I'm just putting a mobile here in the holder to see like how far it is from your selfie light, and it covers almost the light corners. So this one is pretty easy, like in case that you need to put a big mobile and the light will be on the face, so it is good for taking the selfie photos. This is a 360-degree rotatable thing that can rotate, like you have to adjust it the knob to arrange the height and then put it into the right direction. So So overall, this is the nice selfie ring light that can be used as a tripod, and here is the manual that have all the things how to use and what are the specification that you can read, both available in Chinese and English language.